Hedgehog's video channel, Hedgehog fans. Today we made some bread with butter, and we got some juice, aloe vera juice. It's really heavy. Oh, just joking, Hedgehog fans. It's actually not heavy. It's aloe vera, coconut, artificially flavored. And I put some in this cup. Okay, so you're going to need country crock butter for this, and it's up to you. If you want to cut off the crust, cut off the crust. If you want to leave it there, if you like it, leave it there. Okay, so before you do that, you're going to put it in the toaster if you want to. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so country crock butter, aloe vera juice with coconut artificially flavored, and ta-da! I just put some juice in here for a side drink. Okay. Do you remember I lost my tooth? Okay, now we're going to go to the table and see how it tastes. And also my dad helped me.
Hi.
Okay, Hedgehog fans. Okay, Hedgehog fans. We're going to have a taste test. Let's try this. That is a tasty drink. It's actually juice. Okay, so now let's try the bread with butter. This is really good. It's tasty, all right. Delicious. Okay, Hedgehog fans. See you on the next video. I hope you make this easy recipe of bread with butter too. Bye! And don't forget the side drink to go with it.